Good morning, fellow traders. Welcome back to another important episode on the channel again. Before I go on, if you find value in what I'm doing, just like and subscribe and share with your friends and do your own due diligence. I'm not providing any financial advice, and like I always say, I never message people in their DMs, whether on Facebook, Instagram, any of the social media platforms, TikTok, Snapchat, and Telegram or wherever. I never ask anyone to bring their money for me to invest for them. Okay, I never ask anyone to give me 5,500 and I'll give them 8,000 or 6,000 at the end of the week. I never ask anyone, I'm doing binary option trading and I'll multiply your money through Bitcoin or whatever. So if somebody should email you or ask you their number and show you any screenshot or whatever using my details, that is scam, guys. So be wise. There are a whole lot of new level. The scammers have gone on new levels now, even using MT4 platforms and doing so many things. Okay, so be wise so you don't throw your money away. This is I just want to talk about something quick which faces day traders. Okay, dilemma which faces the traders, the market, especially with the Ukraine Russia war ongoing. The market quickly moves, and sometimes you wouldn't know whether you have to take your trade, take your profit and go, or what, because it moves so quickly. And this happened to me yesterday when I was in 6 grand profit and I have to close out. Okay, probably in is it from 6 grand profit to is it 6 grand loss? Yeah, and I was trading, I think the US 30. Okay, yeah. So the markets actually moves. So you can see this is the 1 minute chart here. Okay, so you trade with structure. Okay, and this is the move that I took here. Okay, and this is a hanging man showing a downtrend, but when the market was just moving in my favor from here, I didn't even see this. Okay, so I'm just scalping, so I go in good. Then I just was out of my seat, and when I came back, boom. Okay, you can see all this is here again, and already my entries has been in spot on. Okay, I have had a good entries from the 3 5. I want to show you. Yeah, I've had my entries. Okay, I think somewhere here I've had my entries based on this candle here. Yeah, and yeah, so I was in this profit up to here, and then I have to now close my trade somewhere here because I wasn't on my seat. I just gone down to the kitchen and I was talking on the phone, and just probably 15-30 minutes when I've come back, because when the profit was here, okay, I was waiting for this is where I was aiming to break and see if I could get a break, and if I can't get a break, and so this is why if I can't get a break, then I'm going to close the trade and see, because then if we had that retest here which is broken, as you can see here, then that shows you that boom, we're gonna come down here. So, and this is scalping, this is not day trading. So I was not using the 15 minutes, I was using the 1 minute. But if I show you the 1 minute, you're not going to see what I was doing. That's why I wanted to put the 15 minutes here for you to see. So this is why even in scalping, it's very good that when you're in profit, you can put the move your stop loss to break even, because the market, especially the US 30, it moves so quick. So this is dilemma that faces a whole lot of day traders. You trading, and 1 minute you are in profit, or this week you are in profit and next week you are in loss. It's normal. That's why you need to cut out the number of trades that you take in order to avoid these things. Okay, so if you face such things, don't worry, you just have to readjust yourself and see. So as you can see, I've got my support and resistance lines, which normally these are strong things that I've done anyway. So I just try to operate from there and see. So this is what was happening, and I wanted to show it to you because I know so many people follow that and see. But like I said, I only scalp one, which is this when the US market opens, and this when the US market when the UK market closes, that is the DS30. You can only follow just one market and still make money. So I have a lot of charts here or assets open, because normally I do a lot of intermarket analysis as well. So I want to see what cable is doing, I want to see what gold is doing, because I want to see what oil is doing. Some of these markets have impacts, okay, whether they are strong or weak has impact on what I'm trading. That's what I want to do. And someone also asked me, how do you know if a currency is strong or weak? I will just do example on the pound USD or cable. Okay, so this is two separate countries. So if you want to trade the pound USD, you are looking at two separate countries. So you have to look at fundamentals and macroeconomics indicators in both countries. Look at what is happening in the US economy. Is their dollar weakening or strengthening? You want to look at what is happening with the Britain economy, okay, macro economy and their fundamentals. So is the pound weak or is the pound strong? So if the pound is weak and the US dollar is strong, you know what to do. If the pound is strong and the US dollar is weak, you know what to do. This is all that you need to do, and that's going to make you yeah. So I don't think today we're going to keep long. This is just something I wanted to bring to you, and I hope you find value here. Like, share, and subscribe, and as always, have a very good weekend, and see you next week. Tara.